Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I'm your host Martin, and in this episode we're going to be talking about, is the rally over? Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links will be going out right about now. So let's see what's happening, guys. Thank you very much for being here. Awesome Monday night. Man, it's Monday. It feels like a Tuesday. Maybe it's a Tuesday. I'm not sure. It just feels weird. It feels like a weird day. It's a Tuesday. See? It is a Tuesday. It's just, the week has been awkward, man. Like, I have not been getting a lot of emails at work. It's just a very, very awkward day today. See, I was completely lost in the week. It's 28th. It's Tuesday. And then it's Wednesday, Friday, and then Thursday, and then Friday, New Year's. All right, this has just been really awkward time. Usually I'm on vacations at this time of the year. This year I didn't take time off, but it's just been really weird this week, man. Like, it just, today I woke up and I felt like a Monday, and then it's like, I think I got like 3 emails at work. I was like, wow, that's there's really not a lot going on. Everyone's on holidays, so it's kind of weird. Usually when I'm like on a roll, answering emails, etc., like, I got 3 emails, I didn't have to reply to any of them. That's how bad it was. So it's like 3 emails. Is like, one of them was just for my information. The second one was something regarding the operations that I didn't need to take any action. And then the third one was just, some dude asking something, but he wasn't asking me. He was asking someone else. And I was like, wow, it's a time of the year, I guess, right? I just, the days have been feeling really awkward this last couple days. Anyways, let's get rolling and see what is happening with crypto. Yeah, let's get there, man. By the way, tonight's stream is gonna be short. I started late. I have visitors. They arrived, surprise visitors, and my wife's actually entertaining right now. So I'm gonna go through Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe 1 or 2 coins, and then that's gonna be it. Keep it super short tonight. Prepare for Wario. Thank you for being here. Nick, YOG, thank you very much for being here, and Bitcoin Jake, thank you very much for being here as well. All right, market cap, what's happening? Oh no, we're taking a dive. 6.24% right now, trying to take a rally, recovering above that 20 moving average. We had this divergence being putting pressure on the price, and we've been talking about that for a while. And I talk about the fact that we're rejecting this area consistently and where it could lead. So talking about moving down to that 20, remember, we got it. So our first hit done. Now, if we fail to recover that 20, we're looking at 2.15 trillion, right? That is a move. So I remember also looks. Remember I was telling you guys it was looking like a bull trap, right? Coming up. Sorry, damn, I can't draw for rod right now. Here, and then going down, right? So again, watch out. We could still be on the makings of a potential kind of bull trap here. So with that into account, so if we recover off of 20, we should be looking for a retest of 2.4 trillion. That would be a very strong move, particularly if we close at that level or slightly higher. We'll be bullish engulfing the previous candle, and that would be extremely good for the market. Neutral at 46.20. So not a lot happening there. Again, the fact that we're neutral, it just means that we could go either way on the RSI. Nothing else that is bearish or bullish happening besides that hidden bearish. And again, putting pressure on the price, making us break down. We're not breaking lower than the previous low, so this could also be part of regular market motion, right? Before we continue moving up. Just like here, we were getting movements up and down, and then up, and then down, and then up, and then down, right? So again, that happens. During the movement down, you have movements to the upside. They just fail to be higher than the previous highs. And during the movement up, we also have movements to the downside. They just fail to go lower than the previous low. So if that's going to keep on being the case, then yes, this could be a normal market movement. We just have to watch and see where it's going to go from here, the 20 moving average. Now, if we go to the Bitcoin, now we know there's 2 things that we're looking for here on Bitcoin on daily. One of them is making some of this head and shoulders pattern, right? That's starting to happen here, or built here. The other one is a potential 3 rising valley. So which one's going to be the one that we make, dude? Looking like this is gonna be a tiny shoulder, though. I wouldn't like it to be this tiny, but it's also looking a lot like this portion here. Remember, I told you guys this looked like a fractal of this portion here. All right, so if you start to look at this, right, we go down, then we have this small hiccup before we resume down and then pop up. So we go down, we have the small hiccup, we go down again. We could still try to go down here and then try to pop and negate, right, on the throwback that inverse, sorry, not inverse, that head and shoulders, right? So just remember that this could be a fractal of what's happening here, just like we had it here, right? Look, boom, similar stuff going up and then coming back down to consolidate before we popped. All right, so again, how are we doing one of those things, man? Yeah, it's a couple things going on right now in crypto, right? Fever, yo, and Andrew, yo, again, short stream tonight, guys. Thank you very much for joining again. drawing those comparisons on Bitcoin, right? Just remember that. We talked about that here. Now, where are we at here? Man, we're dropping, going back down to support at 47,338. So again, target met. Broken below 20 is going to become a resistance as we move back up at 48,588. Not a lot happened there. Neutral at 42.27. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. Someone's right in the Discord. Oh, Alex, thank you very much, man. You're a lifesaver. Again, guys, sorry about starting late. I have visitors, and I'm just going to be doing this stream extremely quick today, right? It's going to be short and sweet, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then 1 or 2 coins. That's it. Not a lot of time to do a lot of stuff. Sorry about that, guys. I'll be here again tomorrow, though, right? So there we go. Let's keep rolling, man. Let's edit here and update the thumbnail that Alex hooked me up with. Alex, thank you very much for the awesome thumbnail, by the way. I like it. It's represents what the market's going through. So is rally over, right? There we go. All right. Anyways, let's go here on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, we can see that moving down. We're looking for that hidden divergence, trying to get us to pop. Look, we still managed to create it here, right? And it failed. It failed the hole, right? So we're looking and seeing if the bullish indicators are going to take over. No, strong bearish divergence did break us farther down. Again, we're starting to see that massive moving down. Again, with this moving down here on the MACD as well. So with that into account, we no longer have anything that is bullish. And we're just riding on the strong bearish divergence. We did get to over sold right now, sold at 33.99, 33.91. And still looking as though we're pointing up. So we should be looking at least for a retest if we do bounce to a 20 moving average. There's nothing else that's happening here, though. Let's go to that 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour, we were looking for this bullishness. Man, it kind of sucks that we dropped. Then we dropped farther. Now, the only thing that's good that's happening here is this move here, that it's turning into a strong bullish against the MACD, but not against the RSI, right? Against the RSI, we're kind of screwed. We did go lower still. Oversold right now, sitting sold at 35.07 against strong bullish divergence at a support area, 47,338. Was getting us to pop back up. Now, if you follow me on social media, Twitter or Torum, you did catch me saying, "Oh, what a night! Late December back to 43." I'm joking with that. I'm not thinking. I don't think we're gonna go to 43. It's just you know, kind of goes with the song. I think it's like back late December back December back to 63 or something like that. But yeah, I was just making a joke that we're going down. Anyways, let's go check out Ethereum. Right, Ethereum at 3,817. Where are we at here? On the daily, again, rejection, right? Rejection of this area, rejection of support, previous 100% high. We talked about that. Came back down to the lower portion of the Bollinger Bands. Trying to bounce a little bit, but again, fake breakout of this zone. Not liking it. It just leads me to believe that we should reposition. Sorry, not that. That we should reposition this here area. Instead of drawing it the way we have it, just go with this one, man. I think it's going to suit a little bit better. There we go. And we're seeing that rejection happening. Again, we're spot on as we're supposed to have it. So again, that's still a resistance that we have overhead, and no denying it. Nothing else that's bullish. Low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high as well. Neutral at 41.40. It's not a lot happening here. Let's go to the 4-hour chart again. Bearish divergence, strong moving is down. We're creating the same hidden bullish that Bitcoin had, but we weren't able to hold on to it, right? Kind of sucks. Here, for some reason, it's not anchored properly. This might be from the 1-hour, and I think that is where it comes from. Yeah, see the 1-hour chart, huh? The mighty 1-hour chart. There we go. So on the 4-hour, we had strong bearish, breaking down on that. We were creating hidden bullish, failing to hold on to that. Coming in lower, more negative momentum, and oversold. Right now, we're still oversold at 29.82. That means that we should be getting up to this neutral zone. The fastest way to do it is to pump, try to get above 3,873, and then see where we go from there. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, bearish divergence. Look at that. Oh no, we're breaking down on the bearish divergence. Oh my goodness, it breaks us down. Now we do have this bullish divergence is happening here in the short term, and that should be telling us that that Ethereum and in Bitcoin, right? Because we had them both, should be looking for action to the upside. So start to get a pseudo movement to the upside, not the strongest, but at least we're making positive momentum. We need to get to the 20 moving average and get above it. 3,853 is the target. Getting above that target, again, we have immediate resistance at 3,873. Once we get above there, should be aiming again for that 4,192. Not super happy where Ethereum's at, but you know, it's following Bitcoin and the rest. So crypto, when Lambo? Man, that's a good question. Oh, it doesn't seem like it's gonna be soon, bro. Gotta wait, man. Get a break of the monotony that we're facing on crypto, right? Because it's all, even though we're going up and down, it's just, if you look at it on the daily, man, zoom out, right? Always zoom out. If you look at it on the daily, and you look at from where we dropped to the lowest point, you're gonna see that we're in an area, right? And again, you're gonna see, I always talk about these areas. but they are important. So if we look from here to here, right? So from high to low, we are floating in this area. Even if you want to sandwich it down to here and sandwich it back up to here, right? Look at this. Most of the moves from this low to this high are contained within this zone. So again, there's really not a lot going on. We could even say that we're still moving within a sideways motion pattern until we either break that neckline and break down, or we manage to, like I said, create or recreate the same pattern, right? And it's something I'm looking forward to, man. Again, moving down, right? Come back here and then coming down again, right? So moving down, coming up here, and then coming down again. Moving down, coming up here, right? And then could be going down again. We could be aiming for this area, maybe a support, right? That would be anchoring close to this area here, and again here. So it'll be our target, and then from there we could be looking for that movement up to come up, just like we did have it here and here, right? So boom, 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 right? So again, similarities. So I do believe that what's happening here happens to be a fractal of what's happening here, because this motion here, right, is very similar to the motion that we have here. So again, if we look at this, and I've broken it down on previous charts, and I think it might be I gotta hunt for it, but again, look, one curve, right, and move down with that down sloping pattern. Then we have a curve moving down the same, right? This spike here is where we created some kind of hidden divergence. Here we don't have that hidden divergence, right? We didn't have that hidden divergence, I think, so I would have to double check. But again, similarities, right? Again, curvature, breaking down, again, same pattern here with that spike and down, and then before we break back up, then same thing here, moving down here, breaking up, come back down before we break back up, and then here as well, right? Move down, up, coming down, so we could be going here and then pop back up. So again, similarities of what's happening in the past. That's all the conclusions that I'm drawing to right now. And if it is a pattern, then we should not be so worried about the inverse. Sorry, not the inverse. We shouldn't be so worried about the head and shoulders, because even if we break down to here, and if we create that pattern and we get back above there, the throwback will invalidate that neckline, and then we should be looking for that rising valley to develop. Now, the thing is going to be when or how much down could we be looking for, man? So long as we stay above this secondary point, right, this 0.2, which is, again, it's kind of low, it's at 40,000. But so long as we stay above that area, we could still be looking at a rising valley pattern. Otherwise it could be looking down, right? Well, like a 1990 Honda. Yeah, all right. What a night. In December, back to 43. Again, I'm not calling for 43, right? That's a joke on the song. That's it for Bitcoin Ethereum. I'm gonna go check out real quick ADA, guys, and after that, I'm gonna probably have to get going again. I have visitors, and I have to go out. So I'm gonna be here at the house, but I mean, I have to go out and be with the visitors, right? So I'm only gonna be here in town tonight. So anyways, low to high, less negative, low to high here as well. Neutral at 49, or sorry, neutral at 50.02. Not a lot happening here, but again, holding on to that $1.40 mark. Very, very nice support there for ADA at $1.40. Here we're looking for that hidden divergence. We still held on to it here. Try to bounce, rejection, coming back down. And again, on that move, we're not really creating a lot, right? So we're kind of negating this. Sorry, this stuff is from the 1 hour. Wow, did I forget to anchor a lot yesterday? It seems like it, right? It seems like it. So this is from the 1 hour. Ignore it here. Ignore it here. So anyways, come back down, right? Low, lower low, more negative momentum, lower still. Nothing here that is bullish. Neutral at 45.87. Let's go to that 1 hour, man. On our chart, we're looking for this bullish divergence. Guess what? We still have it here. It was hidden bullish. It helped us to rally a bit, right? It helped us to rally a bit. Now, on that rally, man, quick pop, rejection, come back down. Nothing bearish, just a rejection of our resistance area. Also rejecting that 20, come back lower. And right now, starting to create that bullish divergence, just like Bitcoin had, right? Just like Bitcoin had, man. So again, bullish divergence strong, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's it for ADA. Let's I'm gonna do something though we do here now and then. We just go here into the top 100 and then just arrange them a price. Let's see what's pumping right now, because a lot of stuff went down. So let's go here in the 24-hour change, and let's see, IOTA, which is now M IOTA, that's up 13%. So here's another IOTA, I guess. Rose up 13%, Phantom up 8%, BitTorrent up 6%, Silica 7%. All right, let's get the top 200 now. Again, sorry guys if I'm running through a couple of things, but I gotta get going real quick, right? So here in the 24-hour, man. Again, 42% of a million. What? Enzyme. MLN. All right, not million. MLN. Enzyme. Then Ant. 34%. Then the rest is just 5%. So nothing big. After that, performances. I bought Matic on the dip. Congrats, man. Congrats on that. To you, my friend, I say,
challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted. I gotta find something to buy. I was gonna buy something today. I was gonna buy one of these Star Atlas rides. So I was gonna buy this one. I want to buy this one because I'm not even sure how this project's gonna do. Coming price out for this 3 days ago was $135. Right now in the market, it's a little bit expensive. It just went up a little bit, but not a lot. $171. So it rose quite a bit for this here ship. And then this one here, Opal Jet. Soka bought 2 of this, and he's the one that's been telling me that I should buy into this. This one's right now on the USDC is worth 23, so it's gone up 10% in like 3 days. It's not a bad pump, but again, this project is gonna be like a space project, which I think is gonna be pretty sweet for game once they develop it. They're developing on Unreal 5 engine, which is gonna be interesting. It's called Star Atlas, and I think I'm gonna get into it. Something about which vessels I want to buy. So I'm thinking about buying this Opal Jet, but then the other one, man, this one right now, that just seems to have gone up a lot. So I'm not sure if this is gonna be a good vessel to have or good ship to own for this game. But anyways, let's get back here. You don't get NFTs? Well, I'll explain this to you real quick. Again, not just as NFTs, but as in gaming, right? Because it's in gaming, not just an NFT. Let's say you play the game, any game that you play, and you get a reward in game, right? And that reward in game, all it's gonna do is you're gonna be sitting there. You're not gonna be able to claim it. You're not gonna be able to do anything with it, right? It's gonna be sitting there in your wallet or in your game account. With an NFT, you actually own that asset, right? Let's say you got a legendary hat or a legendary piece of armor or a legendary weapon for the game or a legendary ship or a legendary bike or whatever it is or mount that you have for your game. You actually own that as an NFT, then you can resell it on the auction house of the game. And then you can actually earn money from whatever you played. So that gives it a really good value as an NFT, right? So if you play a lot of Call of Duty, play a lot of, Warzone, a lot of these games that are out there, you get a lot of rewards. Like, you get like new equipment, you get upgrades for your armor, you get stuff like that. And if all of that stuff you can actually have and then resell because you play a lot, then yeah, it's kind of nice. You can resell it to people that are lazy and don't want to play and earn it. So yeah. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. Again, sweet, quick stream. Sorry about keeping it short. I do have visitors, and I have to get back. I've been live for about 20 minutes. I said Bitcoin, Ethereum, something else. We did ADA. I'll be here tomorrow, guys. I mean, the market is going down, so just right now it seems as though we're starting to stagnate a bit, trying to recover a little bit. So not super worried about it yet. Again, hopefully we're going to go for that 20 moving average before we take another drop. If we are to take another drop. But again, right now it's looking okay. Nothing too bad. Bullish divergence strong coming into play. Again, should be heading for that 20. I'm trying to get above it. Getting above the 20. We're targeting Harris Valley. Otherwise, gonna go back down. Guys, thank you very much for watching again. That's gonna be it for tonight. If you enjoyed the stream, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, join us on the Discord. Talk about crypto to your friends, your family, your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is an awesome crypto channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here, which is because of ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. All for entertainment and educational purpose only. If you like the content, hit a like. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.